Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how we can make a bootable pen drive of Chrome OS Flex and how we can install it on our PC. So Google has recently announced Chrome OS Flex, which you can install on any Windows PC or MacBook. And it is simple and lightweight, so it will work very smooth on low-end PC. So if you have any old laptop or PC which you are not using because of its laggy performance, then on those devices you can try this operating system. So before you decide to install this operating system, please check certified model list and check in this list your model is available or not. To get this list, just go to Google and search Chrome OS Flex certified devices. Click on this link and here you can see the list. Here if your model has a green sign means you will face no issue. If your model has a gray sign means you will face minor issue. If your model has a red mark then you will face major issue. So please check this list. And here two important things you should know about this operating system. First one is in Chrome OS Flex you are not getting a Play Store, so you cannot install any Android applications. And second one is when you install this operating system, it will wipe out all your data and partitions. So please take a full backup of your hard disk on any other external USB storage device. And if you are using SSD and hard disk both, then please take a full backup of your both devices on any external storage device. Here my suggestion is don't install this OS on your primary device which you are using for your daily work and in which you are storing your data. Instead of that, you can try this OS on your old laptop or PC which has an empty hard disk. Here one more thing is before you start the installation, please make sure that only bootable pen drive is connected with your PC and remove all other USB storage devices which you are plugged in. So now let's make a bootable USB. Now to make a bootable USB, here we will add an extension in Chrome browser called Chromebook Recovery Utility. To add that extension, just go to the Google search and type here Chromebook Recovery Utility. Go to this link. Click on this button Add to Chrome. Click here Add Extension. So here you can see extension is installed. So here we required minimum 8 GB pen drive. Before we start the process, please make sure that your pen drive is empty. Now let's start the process. Plug in your pen drive. I already plugged in mine. You can see here it's 8 GB pen drive. Now click on extension. Click on Chromebook Recovery Utility. Click on Get Started button. Now click on a Select Model from list. Click on a Chrome OS Flex. Click on a Chrome OS Flex Developer Unstable Edition. Click on Continue. Select your pen drive. Click on Continue. Click on a Create Now. It will take a time, so we will fast forward this step. So you can see bootable pen drive is ready now. So let's start the installation. So let's start the installation. So here you can see I already plug in my bootable USB drive. Now let's power on laptop and press F10. So here I am using HP laptop and my BIOS access key is F10. So if you are using any other brand laptop and if you don't know about its BIOS access key, then just search on Google. Now in BIOS, search for boot options. Here you can see. Here you can see first priority is OS boot manager. but we have an operating system in our pen drive. So now let's put USB drive on first place. So now when you power on your laptop, BIOS will start booting from USB drive. So to save these changes, press F10, select yes. So here you can see Chrome OS Flex logo. Now click on Get Started. Here you can see two options are available, install Chrome OS Flex and try it first. So if you don't want to install this operating system and if you just want to try this OS, then go with second option. I want to install this operating system, so I will go with first option and click on next. Now click on install Chrome OS Flex. So here warning sign, installation will erase your entire hard drive, but I already took my backup, so let's click on install. It will take a time, so let's fast forward this step. So here you can see installation is complete and my device will shut down in 51 seconds. But after shutdown, please remove your bootable USB drive and again power on your PC. So here you can see shutdown process is complete. So now let's remove bootable USB drive. Now again power on. Here click on Get Started. So here internet connection is required. So plug in your Ethernet cable, or if you are using Wi-Fi, then please connect your laptop to your Wi-Fi router and click on Next. Google Terms of Service, click on Accept and Continue. So now who will use this Chrome device? Select you and click on Next. So now you are login with your Google account. Synchronize your Chrome device, accept and continue. So now here hardware data collection, accept and continue. Google Assistant, click on I agree. Click on I agree. Click on skip. Connect to your phone, click on no thanks. Click on get started. So here you can see OS installation is complete. And if you find this video informative, then please like this video, and for more this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel.